bit different than most videos. What we have today is a mission. So I've been doing this a long time, and I try and work the waste out of almost everything I do. This is a hobby, but it's killing me. It's taking a lot of work, a lot of effort. Time I got. Effort, not this 57-year-old back. So what I'm looking for today is a little input from our crew. In fact, if anybody can save me a significant amount of effort and maybe even time, we're going to provide you a 2-day Kaizen at 50% off. And that'll include a primary assessment. So there's the mission. Let me show you a little bit of our setup. So what we have here is a typical wood shed, a splitter, tractor, and a wood pile way over there. Here's the process. I pre-stage logs. I will then log them. I'll cut them to size, and then I'm going to get ready to use the splitter. I use the splitter, and I chuck the wood into the shed. Then, predictably, I have to stack the wood into the shed. Now, that's double touches. I've got the splitter as close to the shed as I can get it and still have maneuvering room. I do have to batch. I have to batch the logs. They come that way in nature. Pros at Business Consulting crew, I'm asking for Kaizen help. I've got to bring the wood from that pile over there, stage it here. I'm going to split it here. I'm going to stack it here. Any ideas you got, I'd love to hear them. For the next video, it's probably going to be me in traction. I'm not sure, but we'll see how that goes too. A couple caveats to our mission. Just thought I'd throw these things in. As in typical Kaizen fashion, our goal is not to spend thousands and thousands of dollars in, an auto stacker. Not using wood, while elegant because it eliminates all this issue, is not an option. We will be using wood. So, all right, team, let's get doing some Kaizen. Objective, reduce effort. Time, not so much, but reduce effort, double handling, that would be great. For Pros at Business Consulting, I'm EJ Lyden. Check us out for any of your lean needs, unless it's wood splitting.